Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A55. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Look completion, device in the awesome navy color, is dark blue color. And in completion we have only key for SIM slot and Type-C to Type-C cable. This is all completion, okay. On the front side we have 6.6 inch display, metal body, metal and glass body, very premium feeling from device, without slot for headphones, this slot for SIM cards and micro SD card for memory, this hybrid slot, downside Type-C and speaker. Turn on device, we have full HD plus resolution display. Open Geekbench 6, look results, single core score, multi-core score, Geputas results, very good results, look onto the benchmark, very good score. Okay, we have CPU, we have Exynos 1480, this octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and GPU Samsung Eclipse. Okay, open PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level on this device. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.